So here are the two gorgeous puppies. We have Von Reynolds Loaded Carbine. He is our 8-month-old coming up tomorrow on the 5th. He'll be 8 months old. And then our beautiful girl, yes, Von Reynolds, Christy Biscuits. And she is going to be 6 months old on, here girls, or girls and boys, on the December, yes, I can add today, on the 8th. Oh, so is brave. Here girls, come on. Handsome. And you have an audience. The Min Pins are letting you know they are very impressed. Let's see some movement, guys. Here, so is Brav. Oh, Bravo Hund, sits. Sits. Biscuit, sits. Oh, so is Brav. So is Brav. Come here. Come on, Garby, sits. Oh. Usually helps to have somebody else doing the video footage for you. Yes. But these two are good friends. They live with our other four young females that we're training. And these guys here are ready to go to their new homes. They have their first shots, second shots, rabies. They are fully up to date. They have their Revolution for fleas and ticks, heartworm, the whole bit. They're well vet inspected many times. They have basic training. They have sit, stay, down commands, as well as toilet trained and crate training. And these guys are ready to go to their forever homes. They're Canadian Kennel Club registered. Both are fully intact and will be sold either as pet quality on a non-breeding contract, or they'll also there's also the opportunity to the right approved home for full breeding and show rates. Give us a shout if you'd like some more information about Carby or Biscuits.